Ready? Oh, this is running the wrong way. Hopefully we don't break this thing. Here we go. PlayStation 5. Power cord. Stand. The HDMI, this is 2.1. It's supposed to be stronger. And the controller. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. This is much better than the PS4. It's heavier though, and it's higher quality. That's it. The moment we've all been waiting for. Damn, this thing is a freaking unit. Jeez. This thing is huge. That's it, there it is. Alright, so you can tell the size difference is pretty crazy. But the PS4 is a slim, so this isn't the original one. So maybe in the future they'll make a slim for the PS5, but this is a vertical. Yeah, put it horizontal. So yeah, it's huge. This thing is a unit. So it's out with the old and in with the new. Wow. That's it.